In the land of stars and stripes so wide, railroads run and the rivers guide. From sea to shining sea we roam, building dreams and forging homes. SchoolBus, we're on our way. Join the global elites network today. Mavericks leading, spirits high, chasing dreams across the sky. Steel and steam, the engines roll, opening up the western door. With grit and guts, we break the mold. Stories of courage yet untold. From the Great Plains to the Golden Coast, we build the tracks we love the most. Why did the cowboy get a map, they say, to find his way on the iron way? SchoolBus, the wheels keep turning, global elites network, fires burning. Mavericks riding rails so new, there's nothing that we can't do. Fountains high and valleys deep, over bridges strong, the engines leap. We joke, why did the train need a band to keep its journey grand and tan? Boggin lights the path ahead, deals are struck and papers read. Why did the banker bring a ladder tall to climb the ranks and have a ball? Come sing along in this land where we belong. Maverick shaping history, setting sail for you and me. Through storms we push, through nights so long, our hammers strike a hopeful song. Why did the builder wear two hats to plan ahead? No ifs or that's. The nation's fabric tightly sewn by hands that make this land our own. Why did the train conductor dance? Because he found his new steel romance. SchoolBus, join the dance, give your dreams another chance. Mavericks with a joke in hand, making history mighty grand. Kids, remember tales we've spun, your journey's only just begun. With courage, heart, and team in tow, there's no limit where you'll go. So grab your hopes and pack your dreams, nothing's ever what it seems. With courage, we'll make our own mark, guided by that Maverick spark.